Okay, Ginger, I know it feels different. Let's see what happens with you. Oh, we got a stretch. That's nice. So when you pulled her out, how squirmy was she? I wasn't watching.
Not as bad as Coral,
Okay.
but enough that it took force to hold her.
Okay.
As soon as I put her down, she went to run,
Mm-hmm.
so I continued to hold her instead.
She's definitely looking tense. She might be relaxing a little bit. Ginger, you're very sweet. Oh, got eye blinks.
She doesn't seem to be breathing too heavily.
Just going to introduce the finger. Say hello. I got a rub. Got a rub. Have you ever put your hand in before while she's in the
I've not
cage?
met her before.
I wondered how she would have done. Well, that was frightening. What do you think, Ginger?
When I was petting her a few times before I picked her up, she didn't mind it, but she
Okay.
was backing further into the corner.
Good girl. Good girl. Well, she's shaking a little bit.
Yeah.
She's watching people go by. Not used to being out of her crate, probably.
It's okay.
So, of course, another thing might be to put this on and still give her something to hide in.
Yeah.
But I can't quite see, but I think those pupils are still pretty big. Oh, no, they're not as big as I thought. Okay. I'm curious. Looking around. Good girl. Oh.
Getting closer and closer to that edge.